I'm going to show you the best way to approach a junction on a steep hill in a manual car. I've taken a lot of new drivers to this junction coming up, and they often approach a bit too quick, like this, then stop abruptly, sometimes unnecessarily as it's clear, then start worrying about rolling back, and because they're thinking about rolling back and not what to do with their feet, they then roll back. Let me show you an easier way to approach a junction on a hill. It's a bit hidden around the bend, although on your driving test the sat-nav or examiner will tell you which way to turn in plenty of time. I'm turning left at the end of the road. As soon as I release the gas pedal, the hill is going to slow me down quickly, so this time I won't need to brake, unless I need to stop for someone. Check the interior and left mirror, signal left. Clutch, first gear, gas, biting point to creep slowly, observe, feet still, it's safe, more gas, release the clutch gently, check mirrors, all good. It all happens so quickly. Let's have another look. Approaching junctions slowly makes them easier, as you'll have time to observe and maybe not stop and do a hill start. The hill acts as a brake, so at the speed I'm driving, I don't need to press the brake, but always be ready to stop just in case there's someone to stop for. When you press the clutch down about 2 car lengths before the junction, select first gear, and before you stop, press a little gas and hold the biting point to creep. As long as it's safe to go, then keep creeping out of the junction, and then more gas as you gently release the clutch. Pressing and maintaining a little gas, plus holding the bite to creep is crucial to help the car not stall. Observing properly at junctions is really important, so make sure you keep checking and always be ready to stop. This time I've approached it too fast. If I'd slowed down earlier, then I could have timed it so that I didn't have to stop. If you want some tips to help you with hill starts, then watch this video next. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helped, and I really hope it did. In the meantime, keep safe on the road, and bye for now.